What is a business line of credit, and why do you need it? A business line of credit, also known as a credit account or revolving credit, is an arrangement in which a company borrows funds on a short-term basis up to the credit limit. The company pays interest only on what it actually borrows and can request more funds if needed. It's often used by companies that need cash to operate but do not require any long-term financing. Learn more about business lines of credit and how you can use them for your business. What are business lines of credit? A business line of credit is a type of financing that allows a business to borrow money up to a certain limit. The business can then use this money as needed, and only pays interest on the amount borrowed. This can be a useful way to finance short-term needs such as inventory or equipment purchases, or to cover unexpected expenses. There are several things to consider before applying for a business line of credit, such as your credit history and whether you have collateral to offer. But if you're looking for a flexible financing option, a business line of credit could be a good fit for your business. How does a business line of credit work? With a business line of credit, you can use the money for any business purpose, and you only have to pay interest on the amount you borrow. Once you have paid the balance on your business line of credit, it is available to use again when needed. Unlike a business credit card, a business line of credit is a great way to get access to cash when you need it. It can help you cover unexpected expenses or take advantage of opportunities when they arise. And because you only have to pay interest on the amount you borrow, it can be a more affordable option than other types of loans. Why do you need a business line of credit? A business line of credit is a flexible and convenient financing option for small businesses. It can be used for a variety of purposes, such as working capital, inventory financing, or equipment purchases. A business line of credit also provides peace of mind, knowing that you have access to funds when you need them. There are a few key reasons why a business line of credit is a good idea. 1. Flexibility. A business line of credit gives you the flexibility to withdraw funds as you need them, up to your available credit limit. This can be helpful if you have unexpected expenses or opportunities that arise. 2. Convenience. A business line of credit is easy to set up and use. You can typically access funds through online banking or by writing a check. 3. Peace of mind. Having a business line of credit gives you peace of mind knowing that you have access to funding if you need it. This can help you sleep better at night and feel more confident in running your business. 4. Builds business credit. Using and paying off a business line of credit can help you build positive business credit history, which can be helpful down the road if you need to apply for larger amounts of growth financing in the future. Can I get one without a bank account or credit history? A business line of credit is a great tool for small businesses. It can help you manage cash flow and expand your business. But can you get a business line of credit without a bank account or credit history? The short answer is yes. You actually can get a business line of credit without a bank account or credit history. There are alternative lenders that will work with you if you don't have a traditional banking relationship. One option is to work with an online lender. There are many online lenders that specialize in working with small businesses. They will often have different requirements than banks, so it's worth doing some research to find one that fits your needs. Another option is to work with a local lender. These lenders may be more flexible than banks, and they may be more familiar with your business and your community. They may also be able to offer you a better interest rate. If you're not sure where to start, the Small Business Administration has a list of approved lenders that offer financing to small businesses. You can also talk to your accountant or attorney for recommendations. No matter what route you take, be sure to shop around and compare offers before choosing a lender. If you need help with finding the right business line of credit for your business, the team at mybusinesscredit.com can help. How do I apply for a business line of credit? It's easy to apply for a business line of credit. You can either go through a bank or another financial institution, or you can apply online. The process is simple and straightforward, and you'll usually be able to get approved quickly. Each lender may have different requirements, so it is important that you work with mybusinesscredit.com to get pre-qualified before you submit your application. Once you've been approved for a business line of credit, you'll be able to access the funds whenever you need them. This can be a great way to finance your business operations and make sure that you always have the funds available when you need them. How can I get a secured business line of credit? Business owners who are trying to build their business credit may not immediately meet the qualifications for an unsecured business line of credit. This can be true for a variety of reasons, but there is a way to circumvent the normal process, and that is by providing collateral or a security deposit. One popular method is to get a business line of credit from a bank that is secured by a certificate of deposit. A certificate of deposit, also known as a CD, is a type of savings account that offers a higher interest rate than a regular savings account. To open a CD, you must deposit a certain amount of money into the account. The money is then locked up for a certain period of time, usually 6 months or a year. Once the time is up, your money is released by the bank, with interest. While your money is locked up at the bank for the duration of the CD, it can still be used as collateral to secure a business line of credit from the same bank. This means that you can still have access to the funds, while earning interest, and building your business credit, all at the same time. To learn more about this credit building method, speak with someone on the My Business Credit team and explore options for your business. Conclusion. A business line of credit is an important tool for small businesses. It provides the flexibility to cover unexpected expenses or take advantage of opportunities when they arise. A business line of credit also helps manage cash flow and can be used as a short-term loan. If you're thinking of applying for a business line of credit, be sure to shop around and compare offers from different lenders to get the best rate and terms. And as always, if you need assistance with understanding your financing options, feel free to contact the team at mybusinesscredit.com and work with a knowledgeable professional who is ready to help.